Lightroom recently updated their masking tool, and it might be their best update ever. Hey there, it's Trent with Boxy Marketing, and today we're going to talk about Lightroom's new masking tool. For those of you that don't know, masking is when you select a specific area of a photo for retouching. Now this is usually done if you want to make a certain area pop, or if you want to, say, lighten or darken a certain area of the photo and you don't want to affect the rest of the edit. Before the update, Lightroom would allow you to mask sort of these circle areas or oval shaped areas, and it worked okay enough, except for the fact that you didn't truly mask the subject and your edits to that specific area could sort of branch out into other areas of the photo as well, which was, again, okay, but not perfect. With this new update, Lightroom will actually detect the main subject of photo and put a perfect or near perfect mask around it so that it doesn't affect anywhere else in the photo other than that subject. All you need to do is head to the masking panel, hit the plus sign, tap select subject, and Lightroom does the rest. From there, you can make any adjustments that you want to that portion of the image, which is super awesome if you want to make your subject stand out. You can also do this with the sky too, which is really helpful if you want to add some intensity and depth to the clouds in your images. And that's it, Lightroom's new and easy masking tool update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video and you want any more photography or videography tips, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.